Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Alcatel LinkHub LTE Cat4 device, and now I'm gonna show you how to check connected users on this device. So first thing, to get access to the Ambit web server, of course. Then here you need to open the status, and here you will see the primary network user and guest users. Of course, I have no guests now, because to have guests, I need to enable the guests network, and this is the topic of another video. But in the primary network users, you will see all users. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.